We went fishing a couple months ago, probably my first real, actually it was the last time I went fishing before I got a camera and started YouTube. It was me, Paw Man Bassing, First Time Fishing Adventures, and HK2 Productions, all out at a pond together. And I think I got 3 or 4 backlashes that day, and I made up the name Backlash Fisherman. But he sat there with a black lizard and caught 23 or 24 fish that day, where me and the other guys only caught 5 to 10 fish a piece. So definitely a shout out to Mr. Patrick at Paw Man Bassing. Thank you for putting me on the lizards. They do work. They're awesome, and they actually work outside of spawning time. But during spawning, I'm sure they're even better when you can put them right on a bed. But anyways, guys, ladies, gents, everybody, thank you. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Tight lines and take care. Bye. All right, first cast of the morning. I didn't even hit the bottom and I had a fish. Good God. Maybe he'll come back. That fish hit before I even was able to reel. Did he get that? He took the dang on tail off the lizard. All right. Let's see, I've had a couple grab on, but not hold on, so. Fish. Got him. Dinker. I caught one. Fish. He's camera shy. Oh, buddy's camera shot there. There we go. Back in he goes. There's a fish. Oh, that's a cat, I think. Yep. Catfish. Huh. But their hook held up that catfish pretty good. There you go, guys and ladies and gentlemen. That's a little catfish there. He hit it right up here by the bank. Huh. I normally take these home and eat them, but I don't want to today, so right back in he went.